Hello, sir. My name is Shanmukha. I am from CSCG section. My roll number is 24BQ18053D. Today I am telling about seminar on data structures. My topic name is to insert a node at the beginning of a double linked list. Before going to this topic, what is double linked list? Double linked list is also a collection of nodes. Each node is divided into three parts. They are first one previous. It contains address of the previous node in the list. Data. Data contains a value like integer value. Third one next. It contains address of next node in the list. Structure of a double linked list. It is a node containing three parts. First one previous. Previous contains the address of a previous node. Data. Data contains a value like integer value number. Next, it contains address of a next node. Let us take an example for better understanding. This example I am taking the three nodes. Let us consider it is the first node. It is second node. It is third node. In the first node of the first part is containing null value because as it is a previous part. Previous part contains the address of a previous node. It is the first node. There is a no node before first node, so it containing null value. Next, data. Data contains a value taking 10. 100 is the address of the first node. Next, it is the next part 200. Next part contains the address of the next node. Here the address of the next node means second node. Second node address is 200. Next, in the second node, first part 100. It is previous. Here previous containing address of the previous node. It is the second node. Previous node means first node. First node address means 100. So it containing 100 value in the previous part. 20 data value. 300 address of the next node. That means third node address. In the third node, the first part containing value 200. It is the previous part. That means address of it is previous part. That means address of the previous node. The address of the previous node means second node address 200. 30. 30 is the data value. Next, finally, last one is next part in the third node. It is containing a null value because there is a no node after the third node. So that's why it containing null value. Source code to insert a node beginning of the double linked list. Before insertion, I am taking three nodes. Okay. After insertion, and the new node was inserted right before the head. Let us consider head is the first node of the linked list. Source code. Struct node into data. Data means value, integer value. Struct node. Pointer previous. It points the address of the previous node. Struct node. Pointer next. It points the address of the next node. It is said to be self-referential as the structure for a double linked list, which stores in the memory. Let us consider to create a new node for new node temp. If any value is a chain for swapping, we use temp. Head points of the first node order in the list into value. It contains a data value to store or a data value for declaring integer value. Insert beginning double linked list. It is a function. If a node is creating, we have to create memory, allocate memory for new node. By using malloc function, we can allocate memory for a new node. New node is a variable. Struct node. It is a cache type which specifies the memory size. How much amount of memory is required to the node. If no node equal to none, that means if the memory is allocated but it was not allocated, if the memory is not allocated, then it raises error. Memory is not allocated. If memory is allocated, it will go to else part. Enter data value. Suppose I entered data value 5. The value 5 is stored in value. New node of data value. New node of previous, new node of next equal to none. Explanation. It is a self-referential structure for double linked list. Memory allocation for new node. If new node equal to null, in this case, list is not created. The new node will be first node. That means this is the new node. The new node will be first node, middle node, and last node. Then head is pointing to new node. Then new node will be said to be head. If list is already created, we'll go to else part. New node. New node means new node of next. This is new node. New node of next means null value. In this part equal to head. Head means initially head is 100. 100. In this part 100 value will be stored. Next head of previous. Initially head is 100. Head of previous means null. Initially there is no value. Null equal to new node. Head of previous null. There is no value. Null equal to new node means 50. Next head equal to new node. Because we are inserting a node at the beginning of the list. If a new node is coming beginning of the list, it is considered as a head. Head equal to new node means head equal to 50. It is point. Now head value is 50. Before head value is 100. In this case, the list is already created. The new node is adding to the beginning of the list. So this is about inserted node at the beginning of the linked list, double linked list. Thank you.